Welcome to the Tesla Rideshare channel, where we're going to talk all things Tesla and rideshare related. Cybertruck, that's my version of squirrel. Anyway, we're pulling up into a charger right now. We're going to get charged up because for this first video, this first of 30 days straight that I plan to vlog of driving Uber and Lyft with a Tesla, we're going to start out from 100%. We're in Delray, Florida right now, backing up to the charger, and we are going to get out here. 100% battery. I came in at 54% to start the charge. This one cost us, there it is. This one cost us $8.40 because I want to show everybody from the beginning what it looks like. So we're going to check these numbers later, so we can see exactly how much energy we use and how much money we can make on a full charged battery. Now, I am going to tell you guys, it's already 92 degrees. It's going to get hotter. So let's see if we can make some money today. It is Friday, July 26th. All right, so that's the first ride in the books. That was a $13 ride thanks to that $8 surge attachment. Very nice person. It was like 8-9 minutes, 3 miles. Hey, I'm happy with it. So bam, this is where we're gonna put all the earnings as we do these videos. Now, I also picked up a reservation for this afternoon out of Fort Lauderdale to Fort Lauderdale International Airport. It's a premier reservation for $31. I'll show you here. So it's looking like it's going to try to make me some money today. And believe me, we need it because the summers have been really slow down here. Trying to take advantage of the fuel savings with the Tesla. But the one thing we got to understand with the Teslas are it's all electric, right? We know that. That's a given. But when it gets super, super hot, all of a sudden the air conditioning, it really starts to draw on the card because now you're running it at a much higher fan speed and a much colder temperature. So it causes us to use more electricity. When I first got the car, I've been in the car 7 months. When I first got the car, right? Man, I mean, my fuel savings over my previous vehicle, which was a Cadillac, my fuel savings was about $560 a month. It was $420 a month in fuel, plus the oil change, $140. All that went away, right? Now, now we're starting to see that the more we got to charge, depending on the time of day and the temperature of the day. Right now, it's 95 degrees. So these are things we need to be aware of as a Tesla driver doing Uber and Lyft. By the way, I'm running with Uber only. We are chasing the EV bonus again. Looks like I might be able to knock it out a heck of a lot earlier than I did last month. We are going to always run into people, and I got to be honest. I was an asshole to this guy at one time, and I have since apologized for being an asshole. So I'm going to bring him on because this guy has helped me in some other ways. My man, Richie hustles all the way up in Delray. We're hanging out, and we just caught back up with each other. He drives as well. This guy does a lot of stuff. You can catch him at the Boss Podcast. You can catch him at, what's the other one? The comic.
Richie Hustles.
Richie Hustles.
Comic Complex.
I mean, this guy.
We got a bunch of channels going on.
Bro, you got 2 channels that are already like over 100,000 subs, right?
One that's just about 100,000 and the other one's at 122,000 Blinks, which is the gaming channel.
Bro, that's all I'm saying. This guy turned me on to the whole Amazon program, but that's another video. That's another time. Right now, we're out here doing rideshare. I wish I could say he was driving a Tesla, but we're giving him the benefit of the doubt. He's in a very nice Durango, right? It's Durango, right?
Durango, yep.
Right. He's in a very nice Durango. We're going to give him a break, just like we give Eddie a break in the Cadillac.
I mean, it's an electric Durango. It's powered by a battery.
All right, ride number 2 in the books, another X ride. And we can do X rides in the Tesla because it's not as expensive as, say, a bigger vehicle. Now, Priuses, certain smaller subcompact cars, they're absolutely just as economical as an EV, but we drive an EV. So that's what we focus on here on this channel. By the way, that ride was $8.80. Plus the young lady threw us a $2 tip. She didn't have to do that. So we are now up to $23.80 to start the day. I now have to start making my way down. It's 12:24. I got to start making my way down south because we have that 2 o'clock reservation. I might grab a little something to eat before we pick that up. And what we're going to hope for is we get rematched out of there. You know, out of the airport today. That's always a bonus when you can get rematched. You can go in, get rematched, and roll back out. The other thing I wanted to show you guys, when I say the electricity usage, right? How many kilowatt hours are we using? And so I just want to show you something real quick so that you know during the day it gets really, really hot and your power consumption is really, really high. I want you to take note of this, and I'll take a picture of this and we'll do a comparison later tonight when it's a lot cooler outside. When it's a lot cooler outside, so we can see that we use a lot less electricity, obviously when the temperature is more moderate. Third ride in the books, 3712. Now get ready to head out towards the beach, and we've got that reservation at 2 p.m. today, that nice little premiere ride. As my man Mario Mateo would say, premiere! Yeah, boy, let's go get it. All right, so we're here at the beautiful Conrad on Fort Lauderdale Beach. This is where we'll be picking up this young lady. Now, it's 2 o'clock. That's what time our scheduled appointment is. You guys got to remember, on Premiere, they get a 10-minute wait grace period. So I'm hoping she doesn't take 10 minutes. We're going to find out. All right, we are pushing 6 trips, 98.82. Not bad, it's 3:20. You know, it's about 4.5 hours that we've been online. That's a good thing. That's a good thing. It's better than what it hasn't been most days. I don't know how it's going to translate moving forward, but I will say this. Remember, we started at 100% battery, right? Let me tell you something. Since that charge, I've only gone 85 miles. I am down to 38% battery. Number of reasons why. Number of reasons why. It's because it's hot as all outdoors, so that AC is pumping. Plus, I've been on the highway a little bit. And the highway with the Teslas, you know, it's constant power. It's constant power, not like a regular car. You got to remember, these Teslas are the opposite of a regular car, where you get poor gas mileage in the city. Teslas, EVs are going to absolutely smoke your tailpipes off in that respect. But on the highway, gasoline engines got us beat. You can't deny that. That's why I always say there's room for both. For the second time today, this will be the last time we have to charge today. Normally when I run these full days, you know, I got 5 hours online right now for 108.20. I believe that is a total of 8 trips, right? When I run these full days like this, I'll generally have to charge twice. I mean, our market, South Florida, we got a lot of highways. We cover a lot of mileage. And then, you know, no excuse, the heat is the heat. So we're going to take this one up. Now, this morning I charged to 100%. Now I'm going to charge to 80%. And hopefully that'll get me through the rest of the night, because as that sun goes down, I'll be able to turn the AC up and I won't have to run as much electricity. I mean, dude, when you're running 30% electricity, that's a lot. Like, you know, it's the summer and it ain't no different than your house. It ain't no different than your cell phone, your computer. The more processors you got running, the more electrical demand you got. But this is the reality of driving a Tesla. Forget Uber and Lyft. This is the reality of driving a Tesla. And that's what we're going to do on this channel, man. We are going to... It puts us at, what, $27 for the day? It was like $10 this morning. I know my hand's in the way. It's like $10 this morning. We'll call it 17 right there. $27 on the day, only at 108.20. Which means we need to try to make another $100 before I call it a night tonight. And on Friday night, should not be that hard to do, you would think. But it's summertime. All right, so we're at 11 rides, 166.09. I had to take a little break. I had an obligation I had to take care of. And now the crazies are out driving, don't know what they're doing. Freaking New York tag on that car. Anyway, we're gonna head over to FLL, Fort Lauderdale Airport. You know, hey, I'm running X, man. I've had the one Premier ride today. I've had 3 or 4 comfort rides. Some good, you know. Well, the comfort rides weren't bad. Some of the X rides were garbage, but we're getting the ride count up for the EVs. So we're gonna see what we can catch out of the airport. See if it's gonna be a night where, oh shit, excuse me. See if it's gonna be a night where we as soon as we hit it, they send us to the terminal. I mean, not for nothing, I've been getting a couple of good rides out of there. Nothing great, but nothing terrible considering. To me, that's the whole thing, dude. Like, you can cherry pick, make good money. You can take rides, make good money. Depends on what your goals are. So I'm on my way into FLL, but I wanted to show you this. Remember I said earlier, the hotter it is, the more watt hours per mile we use. And now look where we're at. We're way down, right? Where I only got about 100 miles out of my last charge from 100% with the heat. I'm now at 113 miles with 36% battery left, and I'm half of the watt hours I was before. It's a big difference, y'all. Big difference in the temperature with the Teslas. Wrapping it up for tonight. We are 13 trips for 201 gross, minus our charging, which was $27. So not a terrible day, not a good day. I mean, let's be honest. Are there really any good days out there driving anymore? It's a grind. But this is what it's like in the Tesla. This is what we got to look forward to. We're going to keep it moving. We're going to keep talking about different things with the Tesla. But welcome to day 1 of the vlog. Talk to y'all tomorrow. Peace out.